Hi there, it's Peter here from ClearScope Solutions, and I'm doing another video on another LogixOne Chat marketplace extension for Zoho CRM. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about the latest upgrades that we've made to LogixOne Chat. For those that don't know, LogixOne Chat is an omni-channel chat tool for Zoho CRM. And basically what it means is that you can send and receive WhatsApp, SMS messages to and from your Zoho CRM environment from either your Zoho CRM leads or contacts. All right, so I'm going to try and get through a very quick demo just to give you an overview of what the tool is. You can always install LogixOne Chat for Zoho CRM yourself from the Zoho Marketplace, and I'll include a link to that within the video and try it yourself. But this video is just designed to give you a quick overview. So once you've installed LogixOne Chat from the Zoho Marketplace, it's pretty easy to install. There's sort of a step-by-step guide on showing you how to do it. Once you've got it installed, you'll have a new module inside Zoho CRM called LogixOne Chat here. If you don't see it in your menu here, just click these three little buttons and you'll see it in here. All right, but all you need to do is click and open that. I'm not going to go through how you connect channels in this video. This is really just a high-level demonstration. But once you've installed it, you'll be asked to connect some channels to it, be it WhatsApp Direct, WhatsApp for Business, WhatsApp via Twilio, or SMS via Twilio. You can run through that process yourself. And again, if you get stuck, there's booking forms all throughout the software tool that you can use to book a free online support session where we can help you get set up if you get stuck. But it's pretty self-explanatory. Okay, so again, once you've installed, you get the chat box, which is installed inside Zoho CRM. Now, you can, at the point of setting up or at any time, you can assign permissions to access this module to any or only one or many or a few of your Zoho CRM users. Okay, so you don't need to allow all of your Zoho CRM users, only just one or two, or you could let everybody actually access this. Okay, and so then once you've given them permissions, they'll see the LogixOne Chat module here, and then have the LogixOne Chat box. Okay, so at the top here, just moving around the chat box, just to explain it for you, you've got the ability to search for contacts here. You can see there just by doing that. The next is you've got the ability to filter the types of messages that you've been sent or received, whether in the channel, that is SMS or WhatsApp, but also the direction of those messages. And you can also search by your Zoho CRM users here. Okay, so if you've got multiple Zoho CRM users, you can filter by who's seeing those. Okay. The next to that, filters, which is what I mentioned. Next to that is our templates module. So when you click here, you get a list of templates, which show here, but these templates are actually created in a second module, which gets installed inside your Zoho CRM environment, which is called LogixOne Message Templates here. And you can easily create new message templates here. Again, I'm not going to go into too much detail here, but those templates that you can make here, so you can automatically respond to somebody or quickly send them back a response based on the templates that you've got saved inside your templates module here. All right. So just jumping back there, they're your templates. The next little button across the top here is a chat button. So you can actually send create a message directly from within the chat box here, if that contact's not showing here. And you can select the message type. So I want to send an SMS and I want to send it to someone in my contacts. And this is the channel that I want to use. And then here's that contact. And then I can just type that message there and just click send. Okay, so you'll see that message was now showing sending in the chat box here, and is now being sent to that contact. Okay, you can see sent and delivered. So you can type a message here. You can also, I'll get through showing how you can communicate directly with contacts or leads. You can also search, pretty self-explanatory, through this particular chat here and search for messages. Moving across the side, this is where you subscribe. So when you install LogixOne Chat, you will be given 100 free send messages. You can receive as many messages as you like. They're free, but your trial will allow you to send up to 100 messages. And then after that, you'll need to subscribe, which you can do so here. Your channels button. This is where you connect your channels. So you can see here, I've got multiple channels connected to this CRM. All right, I've got SMS via Twilio, I've got WhatsApp via Twilio, and I've also got WhatsApp Direct as well here. And also, if at any time you get stuck and you want to us to do a demonstration or give you some help getting used to the system, setting it up, you can book a free appointment here. All right. In addition to being able to set up your channels here, you can also attach users here. So you can see for this sender, this SMS channel, the message type is SMS, and this number, I've only got one user. I can also allow other users in the CRM to actually use that and see those messages. Okay. So once I've done that and then I save it, now those two users will be able to see that sender number. But you can see with these other channels, only these users can actually see those senders or use those senders. And these are just Zoho CRM users. Okay. With LogixOne Chat, you can, again, as mentioned at the beginning, you can allow any of your Zoho CRM users to access it. It's included in the pricing on the subscription model. All right, so that's there. We also have an out of office tool here, so you can set an out of office message so you'll automatically respond to a message during a particular point in time. Yeah, and then again your channels and then your subscribe button. Okay, so that's where you basically set up your settings. Now only the Zoho CRM admin can actually see these buttons here. Okay, so not all of your users can do that. So only your admin can set up these channels. The settings is the same thing. You can mute when you receive a message into LogixOne Chat. It'll make a sound. You can actually mute that. And if you need to contact us, ask us any questions. So if you want to WhatsApp us, you can connect this button here. Or for help, otherwise we've also got our instant chat down here. So you can come to our chat tool, you can search our knowledge base, you can chat with us, or again, you can book a free help session. This is what I really promote people do. If you get stuck, you need some help setting it up, it's free, just give us a call. All right. So we'll just close that. Okay, so that's across the top. All right, now down the left-hand side, we can see all of our chats here. Now, these are just individual chat sessions that we're having with our customer. And you can also see who the contact is. You can tell that via this type of icon, but then you can see, you can also chat with both contacts and leads. And you can see that this is a lead, this is a contact. Now, this number here with the plus next to it, this is a message that we've received that the CRM hasn't seen that number before. So what you can do there is you can actually respond directly to that message, or you could quickly just create a lead here by clicking this button here, and that will actually create a lead for you. All right. So as messages come in, you can see them playing here. If I just go up to this one here, which I saw before, which is using SMS to my test number here, what I can do is just chat messages. So what I'll do is from my mobile number, which you can't see, I will just go back to my messages and respond. All right, so I've responded from my mobile phone. We'll give it a few seconds and you can see that message has come in there, okay? And then you can start chatting with them. You can send emojis here, and also you can, if you want to, you can put in attachments as well into your messages, okay? So this is basically how you chat backwards and forwards with that person. Or if you want to send a WhatsApp, you basically just click that WhatsApp and click and respond to them there. Okay, so in the right hand side is all of the messages that form that chat message here, which is very similar to the way you would look at and see other chat tools. You know, you've got your chat session here, and then these are all the messages that exist within inside that chat session. And again, you can search through those. Now, you'll notice that all of your chat messages, when they come in, firstly, they'll be marked as unread, and you can change that status by clicking this little envelope here. So you can see I've got one new message from Peter, and then here are those messages. And then, as I showed, you can select who you want to send to. Now, if you want to, because this is SMS, we only have one WhatsApp number here. Oh, sorry, one SMS number here. You can select the sender number that you want to send. But if I go to these WhatsApp messages, say down here, and I want to send, I can send via my different WhatsApp numbers that I've got connected here. So you remember, if I go back in a channel, I've got 2 WhatsApp numbers. I got a WhatsApp sender via Twilio using the Twilio messaging platform. And also I've got a WhatsApp direct number here. And I can select between those 2 as to which one I send by here, which makes it really super simple to be able to send and receive messages from different WhatsApp numbers. So if you've got multiple WhatsApp numbers here and you have access to those, you'll be able to select any of those WhatsApp messages there. Okay. You can also put in attachments such as image files, video files, and so forth. Voice recordings you can put into the system and send backwards and forwards. So a really handy tool there. The other thing is that you'll notice that every message has this little folder icon here. And one of the great features about LogixOne Chat for Zoho CRM is that every message here is stored as a Zoho CRM record. So if you click this little icon here and open it up, you will see that there's a message record for that message. Here's the content, here's the message type, here's the message status, here's which direction it is, the phone number, if there was an attachment. All of those things are stored in here. Again, this is a new module that gets installed when you install LogixOne Chat for Zoho CRM. And if I go back here, I can see all of my messages that I have ever sent. Okay, so they're all stored uniquely inside the CRM. What this means is that, and I'm not going to show it now because it's much more in depth, is that you can use workflow automation tools inside Zoho CRM to automatically respond and create and send multiple messages via any of these channels. All right, so that's just showing you how that each message is stored as a record. If we jump back to underneath our chats where we've got all our listed chats here, again, as I said before, you can see that this message here this chat here is with a contact, and this is a lead. Now I can quickly jump into that contact, click that icon there, and it will open the underlying contact. Underlying contact that's associated to that to those chats. Okay, and here's that contact here. And if I run down here under my related list, again, this gets installed when you install the platform from the plugin from Zoho Marketplace. You'll see here I've got all of my LogixOne messages that have been sent to that person, but also any of the chats that I've had. And now I can chat with that contact one-on-one by using this widget here. Okay, so you can see that's the last message that was sent, and I can respond there as well. Now here I can select all of my different channels, okay, that are here as well. All right, so if I want to switch to WhatsApp for Twilio, I can do that, or WhatsApp Direct, I can do that from here as well. Again, I can add attachments, emojis, and those types of things. I can do that from there. All right, so that's the chat widget that exists both inside the contact module, but also inside the leads module. So I'll open up a leads here, go down to LogixOne Chats, and then there they are there. Okay, this you can see you've got the same thing. And again, here are our attached CRM records here. All right, so you can see not only here what messages you've sent to the customer, but also what message records have been saved for that customer. And again, that allows you to do really advanced reporting, workflow automation using native Zoho CRM tools that already exist inside the platform. Okay, so that's very quickly how the tool works. Again, if you get stuck and you need some help, please do reach out to us by clicking the help button down here. Book a free call. Why not? It's free. We'll jump on a call with you and run you through the system or answer any questions that you've got. You can also chat with us here if you want to. But for now, Any other questions, please do ask us, and give LogixOne Chat for Zoho CRM a try. It's free to try. You get to send up to 100 messages. All inbound messages are free. And after that, you can use it in your business to communicate much more effectively with your customers. Okay, with that, thanks for watching.